Hello, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have to find the derivative of this function using quotient rule. So, let's recall what quotient rule is and then we'll apply it to this function. So, the quotient rule is the following. If you have a function of the form, say g of x divided by h of x, and you're taking the derivative of that, then here is the rule. You will square the denominator first. So in the denominator, you will have h squared. Whatever the function is, square that. Now in the numerator, you bring this h of x, keep it as it is, and take the derivative of g, the numerator. That's the first term. Then you subtract and you switch their roles. So you keep g fixed and take the derivative of h. So this is quotient rule. Please be careful. Recall in product rule, we have similar expression like in the numerator here. But in product rule, we have both terms are positive. Here, one of the term, the second one, is negative. So you cannot switch them. You have to be careful that the order has to be exactly like this. It has to be h g prime minus g h prime. So just be careful about that. Now, let's apply the quotient rule to this function f. So, notice that we have a numerator and a denominator in the expression. So, the numerator x is like the function g, and the denominator x minus 5 is like the function h. So, f of x is equal to g of x over h of x. So, let's evaluate f prime of x. Well, we are going to apply the quotient rule right here. So remember, the denominator gets squared, right? h squared. So you take x minus 5 and square it in the denominator. Next, in the numerator, you write down h as it is, x minus 5, and take the derivative of g. So d dx of g is just x. Then minus, you keep g fixed, x is fixed, take the derivative of h. So x times d dx of x minus 5. So this is where we applied the quotient rule. Now you have to evaluate these derivatives and then simplify. Okay. So we don't have to do anything with the denominator right now. So keep it as it is. In the numerator, we have x minus 5 times, this is where you have to evaluate this derivative. So what is derivative of x? Just 1. Okay, minus x times, let's compute the derivative of x minus 5. Okay, so d dx of x is 1. Minus d dx of 5 is a constant, derivative is just 0. All right, now let's simplify. So we still have x minus 5 whole square in the denominator. Numerator, we have x minus 5 times 1, that's just x minus 5, minus x times 1 minus 0 is 1, so x times 1 is just x. Well, if you notice, x and negative x will cancel, and you will have negative 5 divided by x minus 5 square. So this is the derivative of the given function f using quotient rule. Thank you.